Hey, I just got home from school and this is my after school routine. Yeah, this is kind of like a main video or like a Sunday's video, but I'm uploading it on Wednesday, so I hope you guys enjoy this. And yeah, if you're new, make sure you subscribe and turn on post notifications, give this video a thumbs up, and I have a bunch of cool editing I've been learning, and I know I haven't been uploading lately, but I'm just gonna forget that because I'm back and this is my after school routine. So after I get home, I just like to get me a glass of cold water, and this is where I sit down for a couple minutes and scroll through my For You page on TikTok. Maya, my sleeping dog. That's really cute. So after I check my TikTok feed, I'm now going to get me a quick little snack to munch on while I watch some YouTube videos. Now I eat and watch YouTube videos. Now I'm just going to edit my video and do some practicing editing, co-editing on my MacBook. So it's a lot later now, and now I'm just hanging out in my studio, you know, just chilling, watching the sunset, making TikToks. It's basically what I do my whole evening, is make TikToks and film YouTube videos. So yeah, after this, I'm just going to work out, eat dinner, and homework. So, but we don't have too much because we have testing tomorrow, but yeah. So I just got out of the shower, and if you want to see my curly hair routine, I uploaded that a few months ago, so you should definitely go check that out. And now I'm just going to do a face mask because my skin is not the best right now and it could use some freshening up, but look forward in the future for some morning routines, night routines, maybe a school morning routine if I can squeeze that in before school ends, but because I will be uploading those, so make sure you subscribe and turn on post notifications so that you will get notified when I upload. And let's just go put on a face mask. So I'm going to be using this Australian pink clay sand and sky detoxifying and brightening face mask, and I'm just going to apply it with my finger because I don't have anything else handy. So I need a lot down here. And I'll see you guys when I have it all the way on. So I'm going to leave this on for not sure, but I guess when it's kind of dry. And just gonna watch some more TikTok videos for now. Now I'm gonna go wash this off. My skin is soft and clean now, and hopefully this helps with some of my acne. And now I'm going to see if I have any homework. No homework, so I'm celebrating by eating a couple chocolates, so yellow. So now it's just like some free time in the evening. And I have all these stickers, And I don't have a case on my MacBook, and probably not going to get one because it's been a year or so. And yesterday I put my Pura Vida sticker on. So I think today I'm going to put these stickers on. I have a Simply Southern Turtle, a Yeti, and Puppy Love. And I think I have them arranged where I want them. I think I'm going to put, oh, okay, that last one. I think I'm going to put the Sea Turtle up here, the Yeti up here maybe, or down here. Yeti down here, and then Puppy Love in this corner. So I'll check back in a second. So honestly, I feel like this is kind of something really easy to overthink, and I just kind of peeled them off and stuck them down somewhere so that I wouldn't stress out about it. But I actually think it looks really cute, and I'm really happy with it, and I can't wait to fill up all of these with other ones. And I actually already have a Ron John Surf Shop one that will probably go here if I can find it, because I actually haven't seen it since I was at the beach, so that's an issue. I guess now I'm going to work out, and I guess I will show you guys a little bit of my routine, but I'm going to do a workout routine if you guys want, so comment down below and let me know if you guys want to see my workout routine. And but here's just a quick glimpse. Finally done. 40 minutes later, and now it's 9 o'clock, so I'm gonna edit this video and upload it. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and make sure to subscribe. And I know this wasn't like a vlog, but I hope you guys enjoyed my after school routine. And yeah, I'll see you guys Sunday. Kensy out.